2012 Toyota Prius. This one has been in an accident and all the airbags have been replaced, and now the module needs to be reset. So the module is located right there. You can see the plug, and right here you could see the 2 bolts here and one there. I decided to make a video because I watched a YouTube video where the guy disassembled this whole console to get to it, and I see no reason for that whatsoever. You could take that bolt off pretty easily and disconnect that plug without a problem, and those two bolts are pretty easy as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get that removed real quick. Alright, so I got the module removed right there. It took me literally like a minute and a half maybe to get all 3 bolts removed and disconnected. So no reason to remove the whole center console. All you need to remove is this panel right there, and as you can see there's 2 clips there, and that one slides forward into there, and then this as well just pops out. It's just clips. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this module reset. If you guys are in need of a airbag module reset, we do most makes and models. I'll include a link to our website where you could purchase the service. We only charge $40. Thanks for watching.